抄，抄，
pump, take out, shrink, pick out,
抄， 抄的意思是拔出、取出，将放在中间的东西拿出。
it means to pull out, to take out something that is placed in the middle.
他从书里抽出一张照片。他从书里抽出一张照片。他从书里抽出一张照片。
She pulled a photo out of the book.
抄的意思是吸入，指吸入气体或液体，例如抽烟、抽水。
It means to inhale, referring to the inhalation of gases or liquids. Examples include smoke and pump water.
他用水泵把多余的水抽出来。他用水泵把多余的水抽出来。他用水泵把多余的水抽出来。
He used a pump to remove the excess water.
抄的意思是从总体中选取一部分。
It means to select a part from a whole.
他从这批产品中抽取了一些样品进行研究。他从这批产品中抽取了一些样品进行研究。他从这批产品中抽取了一些样品进行研究。
He took some samples from the batch for research.
抄的意思是收缩，指肌肉或物体的收缩。
It means to contract, referring to the contraction of a muscle or object.
他晚上睡觉时腿会严重抽筋。他晚上睡觉时腿会严重抽筋。他晚上睡觉时腿会严重抽筋。
He suffers from severe leg cramps when he sleeps at night.
抄的意思是用鞭子等细长软的东西击打。
It means to hit with a long, thin, soft object such as a whip.
坏人用鞭子抽打他。坏人用鞭子抽打他。坏人用鞭子抽打他。
The bad guys whipped him.
抽奖，抽奖，
Lottery. Lucky draw.
抽奖，抽奖的意思是按照一定程序，通过抽签或者其他方式确定获奖者和奖金等级。
Winners and prize levels are determined by drawing lots or other means according to a certain procedure.
为了奖励员工，公司在年终聚会上举办了抽奖活动。为了奖励员工，公司在年终聚会上举办了抽奖活动。为了奖励员工，公司在年终聚会上举办了抽奖活动。
In order to reward employees, the company held a lucky draw at the year-end party.
他很幸运，在抽奖中赢得了奖品。他很幸运，在抽奖中赢得了奖品。他很幸运，在抽奖中赢得了奖品。
He was lucky and won a prize in the lottery.
许多企业通过抽奖活动吸引顾客。许多企业通过抽奖活动吸引顾客。许多企业通过抽奖活动吸引顾客。
Many businesses attract customers through sweepstakes.
抽烟，抽烟，
Smoking.
抽烟。 抽烟的近义词是吸烟，吸烟。抽烟的意思是通常指吸食香烟、雪茄等。
It usually refers to smoking cigarettes, cigars, etc.
你不能在禁烟区抽烟。你不能在禁烟区抽烟。你不能在禁烟区抽烟。
You cannot smoke in a non-smoking area.
抽烟有害健康。抽烟有害健康。抽烟有害健康。
Smoking is harmful to your health.
抽烟会导致慢性病和癌症。抽烟会导致慢性病和癌症。抽烟会导致慢性病和癌症。
Smoking causes chronic diseases and cancer.
出口。出口。
Exit. Export.
出口。出口的近义词是通道，通道。出口的反义词是进口，进口。出口的意思是通向外面的门或通道。
It means a door or passage leading to the outside.
电影院有4个出口。电影院有4个出口。电影院有4个出口。
The cinema has 4 exits.
出口的意思是本国生产的商品输出到国外销售。
It means to export goods produced in a country for sale abroad.
这些货物将出口到美国。这些货物将出口到美国。这些货物将出口到美国。
The goods will be exported to the United States.
出色，出色。
Outstanding.
出色。出色的近义词是杰出，杰出。出色的近义词是出众，出众。出色的近义词是卓越，卓越。出色的近义词是精彩，精彩。出色的近义词是优秀，优秀。出色的反义词是平庸，平庸。出色的反义词是平凡，平凡。出色的反义词是普通，普通。出色的反义词是逊色，逊色。出色的意思是形容才华或表现突出，超出平均水平。
It describes talent or performance that is outstanding and above average.
这次演讲，他表现得非常出色，赢得了领导的称赞。这次演讲，他表现得非常出色，赢得了领导的称赞。这次演讲，他表现得非常出色，赢得了领导的称赞。
He performed very well in this speech and won praise from the leader.
他的设计非常出色，获得了很多好评。 他的设计非常出色，获得了很多好评。他的设计非常出色，获得了很多好评。
His designs were excellent and received a lot of praise.
他是一位出色的老师，深受学生的喜爱。他是一位出色的老师，深受学生的喜爱。他是一位出色的老师，深受学生的喜爱。
He is an excellent teacher and is well liked by his students.
出售，出售。
Offer for sale. Sell.
出售，出售的近义词是销售，销售。出售的近义词是贩卖，贩卖。出售的近义词是卖出，卖出。出售的近义词是售出，售出。出售的反义词是购买，购买。出售的反义词是收购，收购。出售的反义词是进货，进货。出售的意思是指将商品或货物卖出。
It means to sell goods or merchandise.
他打算出售爷爷留下来的房子。他打算出售爷爷留下来的房子。他打算出售爷爷留下来的房子。
He plans to sell the house left by his grandfather.
他计划出售土地来筹集资金。他计划出售土地来筹集资金。他计划出售土地来筹集资金。
He plans to sell land to raise funds.
公司计划出售部分股份以吸引新的投资者。公司计划出售部分股份以吸引新的投资者。公司计划出售部分股份以吸引新的投资者。
The company plans to sell some of its shares to attract new investors.
出席，出席。
Attend.
出席。出席的近义词是到场，到场。出席的近义词是参加，参加。出席的反义词是缺席，缺席。出席的反义词是退席，退席。出席的意思是指到场参加特定的会议、活动或聚会。
It means to be present at a particular meeting, event, or gathering.
所有高级经理必须出席这次的商务会议。所有高级经理必须出席这次的商务会议。所有高级经理必须出席这次的商务会议。
All senior managers must attend this business meeting.
请务必出席这次学术研讨会。请务必出席这次学术研讨会。请务必出席这次学术研讨会。
Please be sure to attend this academic seminar.
出席人数不足10人。出席人数不足10人。出席人数不足10人。
Fewer than 10 people were in attendance.
处于，处于，
Be in.
处于，处于的近义词是居于，居于，处于的近义词是位于，位于，处于的意思是指人或事物居在某种地位、状态、情况或时间内。
It refers to a person or thing in a particular position, state, situation, or time.
他处于一种尴尬的境地，进退两难。他处于一种尴尬的境地，进退两难。他处于一种尴尬的境地，进退两难。
He was in an awkward position, caught between a rock and a hard place.
他突发心脏病，目前处于昏迷状态。他突发心脏病，目前处于昏迷状态。他突发心脏病，目前处于昏迷状态。
He suffered a heart attack and is currently in a coma.
失业后，他处于人生的十字路口，未来充满了未知。失业后，他处于人生的十字路口，未来充满了未知。失业后，他处于人生的十字路口，未来充满了未知。
After losing his job, he was at a crossroads in his life, and the future was full of uncertainty.
处，处，
Be in a position of. Handle. Deal with. Sentence.
处，处的意思是置身在某个地点、时期、环境或场合中。
It means to be in a place, period, environment, or situation.
尽管处境艰难，他从未放弃。尽管处境艰难，他从未放弃。尽管处境艰难，他从未放弃。
Despite the difficult situation, he never gave up.
处的意思是安排和处理，使事物得到解决或妥善安排。
It means to arrange and deal with, to bring matters to a conclusion or proper arrangement.
他处事积极主动，有责任感，深受大家的尊敬。他处事积极主动，有责任感，深受大家的尊敬。他处事积极主动，有责任感，深受大家的尊敬。
He is proactive and responsible and is deeply respected by everyone.
爷爷生前对自己的财产进行了合理的处置。爷爷生前对自己的财产进行了合理的处置。爷爷生前对自己的财产进行了合理的处置。
Grandpa had disposed of his property reasonably during his lifetime.
处的意思是用惩罚手段处理。
It means to deal with punishment.
公司对犯有错误、过失的员工给予警告处分。公司对犯有错误、过失的员工给予警告处分。公司对犯有错误、过失的员工给予警告处分。
The company will give warnings to employees who make mistakes or errors.
谢谢观看。